back to my channel. Today I am reviewing some Target makeup. It's a brand that's sold at Target, but I believe it's sold at other places too. If you guys like what you see, I give you a little bit of a mini demo and just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Princess Bubblegum. I'm here to kick your ass. We're gonna do a report. Holy shit. Wow, we're not in school anymore, so we don't have to do reports. So there is this brand called Profusion, and it's at Target. It's very affordable, and we're gonna do a little demo and test. I know what it's like, but I want you guys to see what this brand is all about. It's very affordable. I think it's like $10 for an eyeshadow palette. I'll put all the links below. This is not sponsored, but I just feel like some people can't afford like Sephora brand makeup, so we're just gonna go ahead and like, okay, so these, I know right now this looks kind of cheapy. It looks like kind of like a little holiday thing, which it is a holiday thing, but just hear me out. I feel like this brand has a lot of quality, but I haven't tried any of these new products. So we're gonna do our face in this. We're gonna do our lips. I like their lip products a lot. And they sent me this in PR. Like I said, it's not sponsored or anything, but I feel like a lot of people want to know about Profusion because it's kind of like a newer brand and they do sell it at Target. And we all know, we go into Target and we spend a lot of money. And you go to the beauty section, you look at Target. Oh, you know what I wanted to recreate? Right now, like, I'm totally feeling the snakeskin in my wig, and I wanted to recreate the Kim Kardashian look that Makeup by Mario did. It's like a halo eye, but I don't have blacks in his palette. It was like a black halo eye, so I might do a different kind of halo eye. I'm sweating my ass off in this freaking wig. Anyways, kind of reminds me of one of like the Naked palettes, but like obviously not. So this is their blush palette. Like I said, packaging is pretty cheapy, but you guys kind of get what you pay for. I feel like this is a very affordable brand and it could be worse. Like, you know what I mean? The packaging could be worse. And it doesn't really matter because you could probably depot these and put this in a Z palette. This eyeshadow palette we're going to work off of kind of reminds me of the new nude palette from Huda Beauty. Obviously, it doesn't have those beautiful like duochromes or like glitters, but it's the same type of tones in this palette. I'm going to try to go a little bit darker today on the outer corner and inner corner because I want to do a like halo eye. I'll let you guys know that the brushes that come with the Profusion palettes are pretty good. I believe they're synthetic, which is good, but I really do love the brushes that come with these palettes. They are pretty bomb. So I'm going to open the window though. Okay, I'm sorry. It's hot. I got to open the window. Okay, so let me just get this clear in the air. I'm wearing a wig because my hair is messed up and I don't want to wash it, for one, which is nasty. I don't want to wash it. I don't want to use heat on it. I don't want to, every time I film, I would wash, curl, you know, blow dry my hair. It's completely ruined because I bleached it over the summer. So I'm going to go get it fixed, but also I don't want to, you know, I don't want to like film and have to do my hair every time. So I'm going to wear a wig. I'm really feeling this pink wig, but I'm gonna get a new one that's like blonde with like dark roots. We'll see how that works out. I feel like this hairline's pretty good on my real. I don't wear wig caps. They hurt my head. I'm not gonna use the eye palette in this. I don't think so because they're pretty similar to what's in here. So we're gonna go in and like with the transition color and all of that. This is the Prism Eye shadow palette by Profusion. This comes with the brush as well. I'm gonna put I'll put right here how much it is, you know what I mean? And then it will be in the description box below. This packaging is a little bit more sturdy than like the blush palette and stuff. So this will be nice. If you guys don't wear colors and want to test out colors, I feel like this is a very affordable brand. Okay, so let's swatch these, okay? This is called Flurry. Oh gosh, you guys. Oh, that's a nice. Honestly, you guys, you can't sleep on Profusion. Are you kidding me? Like, look at that pigment. I'm telling you, cannot sleep on Profusion. I know a lot of people don't really know about Profusion, but ooh, I like that like brownie color. Like I said, Profusion. You know how people say you get what you pay for, but you get more what you pay for than this. Like, these are comparable to like high quality palettes, and it is affordable, and I really like the idea of that. This kind of reminds me of how Makeup Geek is really affordable, but this is like more affordable than Makeup Geek, which I like Makeup Geek's shadows a lot. I'm gonna go in what came in the palette, the brush. We're just gonna use their brush because all my brushes are dirty right now. There is a lot of fallout, but you guys know that fallout is kind of an indication sometimes that it's a good shadow because it's very pigmented. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with the transition color because obviously my eyes need a transition color. This is called Benefit, and it's nice that they name their shadows, at least in this palette. I've been doing more of a tapping technique, and I've been loving it. Ugh, my dog is yelling at my father-in-law. Yelling. Okay, so if you guys hear like hammering and stuff, my father-in-law is like building a house out there, so... Oh my gosh, Penny, please. Do you guys like my new little setup? Like, I love it, and I feel like I love it. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like an actual beauty girl because like my setup is really cute right now. I'm gonna go in with a deeper color, but I'm gonna go in the other palette because we're gonna test that palette too. I believe that these are all live at Target. Okay, so I'm noticing layering this, it's not as opaque for some reason. I'm trying to, yeah, see now it's not opaque. I mean, you can see it, but it's not as opaque as like me going in with like a Huda Beauty shadow. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, for some reason it's not. Here, let's go in with a different brush. This brush is on the other side, and pack it. Yeah, that's a lot better. So these shadows are really beautiful, I must say, and they're very easy to work with. This is the right now I'm using the, how do you say that? Oh no, it's just this 12 eyeshadow palette. Infatuation, oh my god. I was reading upside down, I'm like, how do you say that? Okay, so now I feel like I'm good enough to go because I'm gonna bring the whole halo up again because I saw that Mario did that and it looked bomb. I'm gonna take some concealer and just do my whole face. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna look up anyway. My eyes are so hooded, so it might be like a good idea to do this anyway. I shouldn't have used all that concealer. So we're gonna use that champagne. I'm gonna wet it just straight on there. Sometimes don't do that because it will seal the shadow, but oh wow, that nothing came off of that one. Okay, nothing's wanting to come off on that. I'm gonna try to use my finger. It's chunky, it's not very good. Okay, so now we're back and I have lashes on and liner. It looks good. Sometimes when I use like a concealer base, my shadow skips, so I kind of don't know if it's that or what is going on, but I'm just gonna try to, yeah, that was easy fix. There's two palettes. I believe that these must be the Christmas collection. This one's called the Profusion Gold Sparkle 12 Eye Kit and Face Kit, and then this is the blush kit. We're gonna use the blush kit right now. Ooh, I kind of want to go in with the darker color. This one's great, and I'm gonna use Spark. Sometimes I'm scared it's just gonna like stay in one spot and just like, you know, but oh well, yeah, it kind of did that, what I said. Yeah, it kind of did. Okay, I need to use a lighter hand. So I love their eyeshadow palettes. That actually is really pretty. This is the eye and face palette, the mixed palette. I didn't use any of these shadows in here because obviously I used the ones in the other palette. But I'm going to use this highlighter right now. And maybe I'll use, comes with a brush too. These brushes are good. I had coffee, I'm shaking. Okay, so the eyes are done. And we're going to go ahead and do the highlighter. I'm going to use the Exceptional one. And it's more of a goldy tone. And hopefully it's pretty, you know? Wait, hold on. Yep, gorgeous. And it, look at, oh, it melts into the skin, baby. I hope my father-in-law outside is not thinking like I'm filming porn, you know what I mean? Because like I have a bunch of lights and I don't think he fully understands like what I'm doing, like what do I do for a living, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look how gorgeous the skin is. Oh, and it's not really picking up on too much texture. Baby girl. We like that. Oh, a lot. I want to cry right now. That's like a beautiful highlighter. You guys, I haven't had a highlighter this pretty in so long. This is the Profusion 10 color eye and face palette. I recommend this. Mixed metals. Look at this. Baby girl. Ow! They have a glitter, which I don't really want to ruin my eye makeup with this glitter. But we'll swatch it. Whoa! Okay, so sometimes when you do a glitter liner, it comes out like, you know, sometimes it comes out spotty. Nope, not this one. That's pretty. I'm not going to put that on my eye though because I'm really feeling this look right now. So we're not going to put that in and ruin what I did. So I would say yes on the glitter liner also. The whole palette, I mean it comes with the set, so it's like a holiday set. Oh my god, that's it. Okay, oh no, I have the lip set. This is the lip kit. I'm guessing this comes with, it's a lip gloss, or I'm sorry, lipstick, lip liner, and a lip gloss. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to start with the lip liner first because, oh, see, I love this kind of color. It's really pretty. It will look good with my hair. Oh, goes on smooth. Ooh, I look like freaking bubblegum princess on Adventure Time. I am bubblegum princess, baby. This is the lipstick. Ooh, okay, I love a little bit of a drier lipstick. It just like, it feels so secure, you know? I love this brand. I love it. You guys need to go to Target right now. They usually have a huge end cap, at least at my Target. This is gloss. And when it doesn't have like the, okay, we're done. We're done. I have, this is my Graceland. You can't tell me I don't look like a Fashion Nova model. I'm telling you, we're gonna go over this right now because I feel like I've been talking the whole video. Okay. Oh, and if you guys don't like my profanity, turn me off because that's just me. Like, I am Miss Profanity, and I know I'm kind of like a family girl too, but we do the best of both worlds. I'm gonna go with the biggest first. This is the Infatuation palette. I love it. I'm wearing on the eyes now. I mixed it with the other palette. I say get it because it's, I'm gonna put the price right here because it's probably a good price range. I'm thinking their palettes usually run from $10. The shadows are just so pigmented, so beautiful. You cannot tell me, like, fight me right now, like, fight me. Get it. I also love their Sienna palette. It's more like practical for what, like, it's more of a tone that I like, you know what I'm saying? This is the Prism Eye palette. I like this too. If you guys wanted to dabble in some color, this would be a good choice. It does have some fallout. I actually like the black in this palette. but I used this for a transition, and as you can see, it was really pretty, and it was the perfect transition for this smoky eye and like the tones of my whole shirt and everything. I feel like I'm very lucky that I figured that out before I actually went in with a different transition color. So this one's the Prism one. It actually reminds me of the Naked palette, like their the packaging of it. So there's that. Only thing I didn't like as much was the blush palette, but I'll show you guys that in a second. This highlighter, I'm crying right now. I am literally crying. I'm screaming on the inside. The highlighter is absolutely, sorry my hands are so dirty, gorgeous. Like, oh, you guys can see it on my face. Like, I can't say like enough either. Shh. Oh, and I really liked this one too. The light in the palette, this one. Like, look at that for the brow bone. Even this as a highlighter would be incredible. Yeah, so I liked that too. Oh, and the blush palette is pretty. I would skip out. I don't know. I can't really tell. I did like the way, I do like the way it looks. It has a beautiful sheen to it. It doesn't cling into my pores. Now that I think about it, it is pretty, but I'm not completely wowed by it. But it's pretty. I like it. And then the lip stuff, I always really like their lip stuff, their lip kits. Very, very pretty. And it comes with 3. I love their gloss because it's not, like, it doesn't goop up. So I love it. I keep looking at myself because I love myself. It's like, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, bitch? You talking to me? Oh, me? Yeah, I don't talk to you. I don't know who you are. Okay, I'm stopping. But I hope you guys like this tutorial demo review. Profusion, I mean, they're a game changer. It's like between e.l.f. and like it's like between e.l.f. and like a CoverGirl. Like, it's right between there. So it's very affordable, and the quality is freaking amazing. The quality is top notch, I think, and you guys can look for yourself. And yeah, so I think you guys should go to Target. Let me know what you think, because it is affordable. So just like go on Instagram, let me know what you think, and if it was worth it for you to get it. Target's good too, because you can return it if you don't like it. Like, Target! Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. I will see you guys next time. If you guys like these reviews, let me know, and I'm leaving. Bye.